Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying materials and creating a controlled wet environment. This matters because ASA responds to temperature and moisture. First, mount the mesh to a rigid frame so it won't shift once submerged, then check fit against the target surface. Once done, wet the assembly slowly to avoid trapping air pockets and to let the mesh settle. Make sure to keep tools close because prolonged adjustments underwater raise stress on edges and adhesion later. You now focus on making the mesh bond reliably. Apply epoxy in controlled beads where mesh contacts the ASA substrate because too much glue traps moisture. Once applied, use warm water or gentle heating to soften the ASA slightly so the mesh conforms. Then clamp from the center outward to force air out and maintain even pressure. This sequence preserves alignment and yields a smooth interface. Allow initial set while still submerged to prevent sudden thermal shocks and warping. You finish by letting the joint cure underwater to reduce stress from drying. Keep temperature stable per epoxy specs so curing chemistry proceeds predictably. After the initial cure, remove clamps, trim excess mesh, and sand gently to blend edges before final drying. This prevents lifting when exposed to air. If you see delamination, re-wet the area to restore contact, apply a thin epoxy recoat, and reclamp for 1 to 2 days. This fixes trapped air and reestablishes adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.